Welcome to the Meusburger technical tip. Today we will show you how versatile our M-line micromotor system can be. The user-friendly control unit enables easy handling and the simultaneous connections of two different micromotors. The device automatically detects the connected handpieces and limits the maximum rotational speed accordingly. It can be switched on directly on the handpiece. The speed can be infinitely adjusted via the rotary dial. The speed and the current load are displayed on the screen. The control unit automatically adjusts the rotational speed in the event of change. The overload protection protects the device from damage. You can change direction from right to left and vice versa at the touch of a button. The memory function allows you to quickly recall frequently used speeds. A wide variety of handpieces can be connected to our M-line micromotor system. We have the right handpiece for every need, such as the M-line handpiece all-round, which can be used for a wide range of applications at up to 60,000 revolutions per minute. We also offer angled handpieces, a model with an extra long shank, and a handpiece for tools with a shank diameter of 6 mm. Thanks to the quick clamping function, tools can be changed quickly and easily. Our battery-powered control unit for M-line micromotor is ideal for mobile use. The high battery capacity ensures long running times and allows infinitely variable speeds from 4 to 40,000 revolutions per minute. It doesn't matter if it's minor rework directly on a production machine or at the flexible workstation. Thanks to the battery-powered control unit M-line, none of this is a problem. Packed and protected in a practical case, all your micromotor components remain safe, well sorted and transportable. With our M-line micromotor system, you always have the right equipment at your fingertips.